Good afternoon, Miss Jessica. So today we are going to repeat again the material that you couldn't explain last time. Yes, right. That's last Saturday. Yesterday, right? Okay. So since you failed for explaining Pictionary, so I would like to hear your explanation again about English Pictionary, right? Okay, so can you please explain about Bound It Together?
Okay, Bound It Together is when from the picture that they gave us, it is one or even two or three kids that bound together with a rope and their mouth covered with the tape, and it's usually made by rubber or a band like that.
Okay. How about break?
Brake is a tool, or yes, is a tool for vehicle to make a vehicle or transportation to.
We read vehicle. We read vehicle, not vehicle. Yeah, vehicle. What is that? What is brake?
A tool. A tool that usually have for every vehicle to make it the transportation or vehicle slow down or even stop. It's usually in every transportation.
Okay. How about braid?
Braid is like a pretty rope. It's usually made to hair of a girl, like a three part of the hair, and then twist it, and it will make prettier. It's usually for a girl.
Okay, what is bowling?
Bowling is a game to a heavy ball and then we will roll it to make the stick down. The pins. We are rolling the ball, heavy ball, and then we will make the pins fall down.
Fall down.
Yes.
What is bracelet?
Okay, bracelet is just like accessories that usually a girl uses by girls, but actually a boy can use it.
But mostly girl.
Yes, mostly girls.
Okay. Where can they use it? In which part?
In our arms, usually in our arms, because just like in the left.
Your hand? Yeah. What is broom?
Okay, broom is a tool. We usually use a broom to clean or sweeping the floor. But we can sweeping. We use the broom in the yard maybe, because that in the picture, the dictionary part 11, it is a broom for a yard. I think.
For what?
For a yard, to sweeping a yard, not for a floor in the house.
Not for a floor?
I mean, the picture, it is in not in the house, not for cleaning the floor.
So
for the yard.
Oh.
Yes, halaman.
But generally, broom can be used for floor, right?
Sweeping the floor.
But in this
Picture
lesson, the picture shows that the broom is not used for the floor, but for yard.
Yeah, but for the definition, we make it for the floor. But we explain to the kids that broom is came from the floor, that they are for the yard type of broom.
Okay. Statue, what is that?
A statue of Buddha. It is usually Buddhist places um, for their religion. It is just like statue that they are worship, or they are really honored, and we usually see it in Buddha's area, or usually they have it for their religion.
I see. So it's about religion, yeah?
Yes.
So for Pictionary Bahasa on Friday, ya?
Yes.
Can you explain about takwa?
It is seri baca, Miss.
Dibaca.
Ya, seri baca.
So Pictionary
Dictionary bahasa Indonesia dan Dictionary English.
Patung Buddha.
Iya.
Okay, what is that?
Patung Buddha adalah patung yang biasa kita temukan di tempat-tempat ibadah orang Buddha, di kuil. Biasanya kita akan menemukan patung-patung tersebut.
What is apa jembatan is?
Jembatan adalah konstruksi di mana itu menghubungkan satu tempat ke tempat lainnya yang biasanya terpisah oleh sungai atau air atau bahkan laut atau bahkan jurang untuk menghubungkan dua tempat itu. Diperlukan jembatan, ada jembatan yang dari kayu dan ada juga besar.
Kepang?
Kepang adalah biasanya dibuat untuk mempererat tali, tapi biasanya kepang ini juga dibuat di rambut perempuan, itu memperindah rambut perempuan.
Bola bowling?
Bola bowling adalah sebuah permainan atau games di mana kita akan menggulingkan bola yang berat, dan tujuannya adalah untuk menjatuhkan pins-pins yang ada di ujung yang sudah disediakan di dalam games tersebut.
Diikat bersama.
Diikat bersama, kalau digambar di gambar yang disediakan di dictionary part 11 itu adalah 2, 3, 4 anak yang diikat bersama-sama menggunakan tali, dan mereka diikat di cover ditutup oleh bagi hitam atau semacamnya, kain dan semacamnya, untuk membuat mereka tidak bersuara.
Okay. What is the definition of heavy and light?
Heavy and light. Heavy and light. Pelajaran SK Rainbow Math itu kita menjelaskan kepada anak-anak bahwasanya ada benda yang berat dan ada benda yang ringan, dan kita juga menunjukkan dalam pelajaran tersebut bahwasanya ada benda yang lebih berat, mana benda yang lebih berat dan mana benda yang lebih ringan pada anak-anak. Contohnya balon itu pasti lebih ringan atau lighter than stones or doll maybe.
Can you mention 5 kinds of job?
5 kinds of job. There are firefighter, a chef, and a teacher.
And its function.
Okay. A doctor. Doctor is a profession that works in hospital. They are works to cure all the people that come to the hospital, to make sure that they are healthy, to become healthy. And then number 2 is firefighter. Firefighter is a profession that works to make fire out, and yes, not just not just fire. They are also help community. They also help community to, if they are some problems, just like cat in the trees or another. And then number 3 is a chef. Chef is a profession that works usually in a restaurant or a hotel to cook delicious food for a guest. And number 4 is a teacher. Teacher is a profession that works in usually school to teach students. And then number 5 is policeman. Policeman is profession that works in the police station. They works to make sure that the community is safe, the place is safe, and the street is safe. I think that's all this.
So this is little step, yeah?
Yes, it was that.
So how many lessons? Sounds great.
Sounds
In a week.
great.
Little step.
Yeah, little step, and then rainbow math,
Rainbow math, rainbow English,
rainbow math, rainbow science,
rainbow science.
and then
So for English, what do you call for it? English.
English.
There is no for English.
No.
So it like sounds great like that.
Yeah, sounds great.
So English sounds great and little steps.
Sounds great. Little step, rainbow science, rainbow math.
I mean English lesson.
Yeah, rainbow math also in English. I think that's for bahasa, X matematika, X bahasa, X science. Yeah.
So for this week you will learn about sounds gl, bl, sl.
Already.
Already. Also for this week dr and four
Yes, for
dr, dr. Okay, can you explain the differentiation between them, among them?
this
That sounds great, yeah.
Yeah. This week we will have new songs that this 4, and we will explain. We usually explain to the kids what kind of sounds or what kind of words that can build from that sounds. From the example,
Wait, I want to cut. Yeah. So as usual, format who evaluate?
I'm asking this.
Format evaluate.
Format.
Tersapi. So
sejauh ini hanya Miss
Hmm?
Paulus. Ya, hanya Miss sejauh ini saya belum
Oh.
pernah.
Okay, repeat. I continue. I mean.
Okay. And then from the fourth sound, for the fourth sound, it is dr. It can build words from like drain, drive, and then drunk, and from some dr. It's like grapes, grocery, room, reels, and from south girl, it's just like pretty, proud, price, and then from south drill, and it can be words, strong, trees, true, tree, and then tree. Yes, tree. And trick, trick, and etc.
Kan dimaksud dengan tanaman.
Okay, tanaman.
This is ISP science. Yes, right.
ISP science. sebenarnya ASP Sains, ASP Bahasa, ASP Matematika kita sudah masuk ke unit terbaru yaitu bersama-sama juga tentang tanaman. Pada minggu lalu minggu ini kita sudah mulai masuk unit baru ini yaitu tanaman, karena menjelaskan kepada anak-anak bahwa tanaman adalah jenis tanaman itu adalah tumbuhan yang biasa kita lihat yang tumbuh di tanah, tapi juga tidak hanya di tanah, bisa juga mereka tumbuh di air bahkan di bawah tanah. Salah satu ciri-ciri dari supaya kita bisa mengidentifikasi bahwa itu tanaman adalah mereka memiliki batang, ada akarnya, ada daunnya, ada buah.
So, how many parts of the plant? Berapa banyak sih bagian-bagian tumbuhan itu?
Ya, bagian dari tanaman itu ada biasanya ada 4, paling umum itu ada 4. Itu pasti ada akarnya, ada batangnya, ada daunnya, bisa ada bunga, atau bisa juga ada buah, atau bisa bahkan ada bunga dan juga buah. Di kelima itu, 5 parts of plants.
Ada akar, batang,
daun, bunga atau buah.
So, akar apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Roots.
Batang?
Trunk.
Or stem kan dia. Daun?
Leaves.
And then
branch, ranting. Fruit for buah, and flower for bunga.
flowers or fruits. I think so far, because we have done the evaluation at first last time, and then it just failed for Pictionary, and now you did it well, yeah. So you pass, Miss.
Thank you.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you, Miss.